Sorry guys, I'm on my period.
Oh, I know something that you can consume to lower that pain. Let's make it together, shall we?
Orange turmeric mocktail a la Xena. Ingredients: half cup hot water, turmeric powder, ginger powder, lastly half cup of honey. Now mix together. Add more honey if desired and stir until dissolved. Now add quarter cup freshly squeezed orange. Then transfer orange juice and lemon juice to turmeric pitcher. Add 2 teaspoons lemon juice to the orange juice bowl and then pour them to turmeric pitcher. Stir until well blended. Add more honey if desired. A cold glass of orange turmeric mocktail instantly quenches your thirst on those blazing hot days. Add some ice and pour your orange turmeric mocktail. Add lemongrass and grated orange for garnish. What a lovely mocktail!